Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and supports the new carrier's bans. This prevents later registration failures. Once done, backup contacts and any eSIM profiles you'll remove, because switching can erase settings. Make sure you have the new SIM card, the SIM PIN and PUK codes, and any carrier APN or activation codes, having them at hand speed setup. You'll also power off the device before swapping to avoid hardware detection errors. You insert the SIM gently in the correct tray orientation and secure it. Improper seating causes no signal symptoms. Then power on and enter the SIM PIN when prompted, which unlocks the card. If you're using eSIM, follow the QR or activation link instead. Next, configure APN and carrier settings. Either accept automatic carrier push or manually input APN, MMSC, and proxy values. This ensures data and MMS work. Make sure airplane mode toggles reset. You finish by verifying signal bars, making a short test call, and confirming mobile data loads a web page. This proves successful registration. If there's no service, check the carrier activation status online or with support and recheck APN spelling. Small typos block data. If still unresolved, toggle airplane mode, restart, and finally reset network settings as a last resort. Reset clears stale profiles but loses saved Wi-Fi. So save passwords first. This sequence isolates and fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.